Imagine a world where we have no physical bodies. We are pure energy, souls drifting through a different kind of reality. This idea has fascinated people for centuries. It forces us to confront fundamental questions. What does it mean to be human? What is the purpose of life? If we are not defined by our physical forms, then who are we really? This concept is difficult to grasp. Our senses are so tuned to the physical world. We feel, touch, see, and hear through our bodies. Without them, how would we experience life? Would we even have senses as we know them? Perhaps our souls would perceive the world in a completely different way. Maybe we would communicate through thought alone. Maybe we would experience time and space differently. The possibilities are endless, and that is what makes this thought experiment so intriguing. By stripping away the familiar, we are forced to confront the unknown and to question everything we think we know about ourselves and the universe. The idea of a soul separate from the body is not new. Philosophers have pondered this for ages. Plato, for example, believed the soul was immortal. He saw the body as a temporary vessel for the soul. Plato believed the soul was divided into three parts: reason, spirit, and appetite. Reason sought truth and wisdom. Spirit provided courage and drive. Appetite craved physical pleasures. Plato believed that true happiness came from nurturing the rational part of the soul. Other philosophers have offered different perspectives. Some see the soul as a life force, an energy that animates all living things. Others believe the soul is our consciousness, the essence of who we are. There is no one answer that satisfies everyone. The nature of the soul remains a mystery, but by exploring these different philosophical viewpoints, we can gain a deeper understanding of the enduring questions about human existence. Science often struggles with concepts that defy physical measurement. The soul is one such concept. It cannot be dissected or analyzed under a microscope. However, some scientists explore the possibility of consciousness existing beyond the brain. They look at near-death experiences and quantum physics for clues. Some theories suggest that consciousness might be a fundamental property of the universe. Quantum entanglement, for example, shows particles behaving as if connected despite vast distances. Could this interconnectedness hint at a deeper reality, one where souls might exist beyond our current understanding? While science cannot yet prove or disprove the existence of a soul, the pursuit of knowledge continues. Perhaps one day science will find a way to bridge the gap between the physical and the metaphysical. If we were souls without bodies, how would human relationships change? Could we still experience love, empathy, and connection? Without physical touch, or the nuances of facial expressions, would our bonds be weaker or stronger? Perhaps our souls would connect on a deeper level. We might communicate telepathically, sharing thoughts and emotions instantly. Love might transcend words, becoming a shared energy between souls. Imagine a world where compassion and understanding flow freely. Without physical barriers, we might be more attuned to each other's emotions. Imagine a world where prejudice and discrimination based on physical appearance would cease to exist. This is not to say that a bodiless existence would be a utopia. Conflict and misunderstandings might still arise, but the way we interact and relate to each other would fundamentally change, perhaps for the better.